that, you go to your Cpanel and input your details. Click on login. When you get to your Cpanel, the next thing you do is you scroll down to where you can have access to, you can see where to install WordPress. That is under softwares. So under software, you can easily just click on WordPress like that. You would be seeing the WordPress symbol there, and then after clicking, when you get to that page, this page you're looking at now, just click on install. That's where you begin the installation for WordPress. After clicking that button and you get to this page, what you have to do is just select the version of WordPress you're going to use. After selecting version, you go to the URL, select the URL you want, and after that, ensure that you're selecting an HTTPS URL, because I'm very sure you're using a domain that is linked to an SSL. So after that, the next thing you want to do is input other details like your site name, your site description, and also move on to setting your password. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to scroll down to set my password. Yeah, so there is this thing about passwords. You just have to make sure that you're using passwords that you can remember, or even if you can't, just save your password somewhere. So I'm inputting my own password right now. Okay, when you're done inputting your password, scroll down to where you want to select a theme. You can choose to select your theme from here, but if not, just leave it like that and go down to the email part where you input the email you want all the details of your WordPress installation to be sent to. So I'm inputting my own email right now, and when I'm done, I'm going to click on that install button. So right now I can't install because my password is not strong enough, so I have to go back to the top to edit my password and make sure that it's strong enough for the account. Okay, now after you've finished inputting your new password, if you actually face the same thing, just click on install and then watch your WordPress installation complete. So it won't take much of your time. Yes, the installation is done. You have the details, that is where the WordPress is installed, how you can access the backend. So if you check the website now, you see that your website is not just a plain, but you're already seeing your website name, everything showing now compared to when you visit your URL the first time. So the next one we're clicking on is the URL to the backend of the WordPress, where you can make any edits you want to make to that website. So basically that is how you edit a WordPress site, or you install a WordPress on your website. So I think we're done. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.